Suddenly, baby, I'm not tell no lies. No, no, no. Sand beans, guys. Ano nga yun? Wala na. Um, sand beans, guys. Just like animals, animals, just animals. Man. Guys, I'm going to tell you something very important, and I hope na it can help us. We need a 4K beans. 4K beans for our bigo. We have a quota. Do you know what is quota means? It is the sahod. Chararep. Prank. Baka magalit kayo. I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. Standing stars. Baby, I'm your ignorance. Guys, can you help us to reach 4K beans? At the end of the month, we need to have a 4K beans. Oh, thank you, Em, for the gift. Send more beans, guys. Ito, nag-charge pa ako. Paano saan? Paano mo sa pagkakas sa pagkakas? Hindi nga, naka-charge nga ako. Ay, pato mo lang lang sa sana. Poro sana. Ang pagkita nila, dito na lang ako sa pato. Sa buhok ko siya. Kaya mo kung patungan sa dito.